talk about reporting and making report in PowerFactory. So for example, we open one of the examples in PowerFactory, for example, 14 bus system here. So now we have this 14 bus system and we want to have some reporting on the whole status of this system. For example, if we make a load flow right now, we have some locations with some high loading, some over voltages and lower voltages. So here we can make a heat map. So if you click on this and make a heat map, so we can see here we have some overloading or over voltages in different locations. To make a report in PowerFactory, here we have different options in top. So here we have the generate reports. If you click on the generate report here, we can see which kind of report we can have in PowerFactory. For example, here in grid summary, you can see the summary of your grid, how many bus bars you have, how much is the voltage of the bus bar. And here you can see the charts. Here you can see the project overview. So you can see different thing in PowerFactory. So for example, if I make a grid summary here and make it execute that one, then after a while you can see this report is generated. So we can see here, for example, the number of the voltage, how much is the generator reactive power, active power. So you can see all report for this system. We have also different different reports. So one of the most important reports in PowerFactory, if we back to this one, is edge element. If you check edge element and execute this report, you can see which elements are overloading, over voltages, and working in marginal. So it takes a while. And when you open here, you can see how is the status for different components. So it's not included all of the components, but it's only include the components, lines, generator, bus bar, transformer, anything that they working marginal. So here, for example, you can see loadings, total active power, reactive power, total per factor. So you can see here in this edge element. If we back to the reports again here, so here also we have voltage and loading and violation. If you execute this one, here you see the report for all of the units that you have, which they have some voltage violation. So here we can see for different bus bars, here we have some violation on the voltage magnitude. So you know that normally the upper limit of allowed voltage based on the standard should be 5%. So any numbers higher than 1.049 is a violation. So here you can see how is a violation in your system. So if you back to the reporting, so here you can see different reporting even for relays, for different things. So this is one way to see how is the status of different violations, different number of the generator and everything in PowerFactory. Here also you have Heatmap. If you want to have an overview on everything in PowerFactory here, if you just run the Heatmap here, so you can see how is the, for example, mode here is voltage and loading. If you execute, you can see how is the violations for loading and voltage. And here is also for coloring. It showed that, okay, what is the meaning of coloring for different purposes.